what's up YouTube? Good afternoon from Oceanside, California. I'm here at the train station. Yeah, just waiting for my train to LA. I haven't rode this in many years. I think the one and only time I rode it was when I was in high school, I believe. Like 15 or something. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Catch you guys in a bit. It's a pretty small station. It's like a couple offices. And yeah, this office is closed. Maybe it's because it's Memorial Day. Not sure. But yeah, that thing's closed. I have to buy it online. I hope I bought the right ticket. And here's the platform. I think there's only 2 platforms here. So yeah, I hope I got the right ticket.
Debit cards, credit cards, gift cards, electronic forms of payment like Apple Pay or Google Pay.
To Wilshire, Normandy, Koreatown. I have to take the bus the rest of the way.